Ask her anything go. Yeah, yeah. I feel your body gone.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Amy, Trendy Makeovers. I am so happy to be back with a beauty video. So we've got a hair and makeup video. You guys love that. So it's good that I'm mixing these videos. You know, sometimes we can have fun. Sometimes, you know, we go back to being serious, which is why I opened a YouTube channel in the first place. So I hope you guys will enjoy this makeup and hair video. I am so excited to show you guys what products I've used. Also, before we move on, can I just present to you guys this beautiful piece from Jeulia Premium Jewelry. They emailed me and wanted to send me this beautiful piece, and it's got a beautiful picture of my lovely baby girl. I am so happy, and I got this in a size 11 USA. They tell you how to measure your finger if you're interested in getting a ring, so make sure you guys check it out. I've got a discount code for you guys as well. I will link every single thing down below. So if you guys are getting a present for your partner, this is the best website that I would recommend when it comes to jewelry. They do custom pieces, and anything that you would like to engrave, you can also go ahead and do that. So check them out, guys, and make great advantage of my discount code. If you would like to see how I created this beautiful look, keep on watching. Okay guys, so today I am going to be rocking this beautiful curly pixie cut by Glampixie. So she's got Instagram only. You can DM her to purchase. So I'm just trying this on and it fits perfectly. Wow, it looks really funny. I think she pre-styled it before she sent it to me, but I think I'm gonna change the way this is styled today. But I really love the fact that it's super short, because all the other ones that I've tried before is slightly longer. For glue wise, today I'm going to be using my hair gum paste right here, and this is by Body B Hair. It comes with a remover as well, so after you use the gum paste, you can go ahead and remove it if you need to. But these ones always last for like a couple of days, maybe like 3 to 4 days, depending how many layers you put onto the hair. I also got like this little leaflet here, and here it tells you all the instructions on how you apply this gum paste onto your hair, which is amazing for some of you guys don't have a clue on how to use a lace glue. So before you apply this glue, make sure that you have a very clean surface and do a thin layer first. So I'm going to use this cotton bud here to spread this gum paste. I love how she decided to call it a gum paste. Most of them are just called a lace wig glue. So I'm just spreading this. I tend to put this on like on my bare skin to avoid it from ripping my baby hairs. But to be honest, my hair starts from like really slightly behind, so it doesn't really affect any of my baby hairs, just maybe around the sides here. If you want, you can just let your gum paste to air dry until it's clear before you add another layer. Or if you're in a hurry, just go ahead and blow dry it. Oh. I think this have cleared now. I'm just gonna go ahead and place the lace.
See, this is nothing in real life. It might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but
and now I'm gonna go ahead and cut the sides.
Because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior.
So I've just carved my ears. I've cut the lace. I'm looking so funny right now, but I promise you guys, I'm gonna fix this to perfection, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead and carve this side of my ear as well. So now that I've carved both the side of the ears, I am going to be cutting the lace right here.
Now we're over, that's a fact. Phrasing light, see it all bright. You were never right. Back to life.
This gum paste though, I think it is sticking on really well. Like I'm pulling it now and everything is just, you know, sitting perfectly. I like that. I only did 2 layers. Remember, if you're going for like a long weekend, you can always go ahead and add more layers. You can do up to 5 layers just to secure the wig even better. And I think that should like last you for about a week or 2. So I'm just going with zigzag motions, and when you cut your lace with zigzag motion, you avoid it from looking like super straight. So make sure you're just doing that hand movement like this, and that way the lace is like looking not too perfect. So she already took out a little tiny bit of baby hairs for me. I'm just gonna go ahead and put them into place. So once I've taken out all the baby hairs, I'm just gonna go ahead and melt the lace by tying this elastic band around my head. So you can leave this on for 10 to 15 minutes just to like melt the lace. So meanwhile that's melting, I'm gonna go ahead and style this hair. I'm just spraying the hair with some water. So I've got some water in this bottle right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and like manipulate this hair and just make it look wet. Yes, honey. Honestly, you guys, Glampixie is amazing at anything pixie cut. She does like all these other wigs as well, but she is personalized and skilled when it comes to pixie cuts and stuff. So if you want any short hair and stuff, I think she is the short hair specialist that I would basically recommend you to. Now to activate these curls even more, I'm gonna go ahead and take my Eco Styling Gel. I'm gonna pop some on my hand and just rub this through the hair. Look at that, you guys. Lace is melted. Damn. So moving on with my makeup today, I'm gonna start by using my primer, and this is MAC's Natural Radiance in the shade Yellow. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead with my Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation, and this is in the shade number 26 Amber.
Soon to say I'm fine. Oh, I don't know what to say.
Do you guys see how amazing this foundation looks on me? It's like so perfect with my skin tone and my undertone as well. I've been using this for like 2 years in a row now. I haven't changed. I have tried other foundations in between, but I'm just still madly in love with this one. So next I'm going to be using my Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and this is in the shade Butterscotch. You guys should totally know all my steps by now. Like, you guys should. And if you're watching me, you happen to recreate any of my looks, I'll be more than happy to see what you guys have done, and send it to me. Like, tag me on Instagram or send it on Snapchat, because I would love to see how you guys like recreate any of my looks. And if you're on YouTube and you tend to like follow my makeup steps, I would also love for you to let me know so I can watch it. So next I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty Espresso stick, and this is for me to contour just my nose.
Can't save us, because you're acting like a...
So next I'm going to be using my Laura Mercier setting powder, and this is in the shade Translucent. Next, I'm going to be using my Morphe All Over Face powder, and this is filter number 10.
Can you see me shaking? Hear the sound of my heart.
So next, I'm just gonna go ahead and use my Glow Bronzer by Revolution, and this is in the shade Dark. So I'm gonna bronze my cheeks with this one, and I really love this one.
Every month, wishing I just could forget.
I'm gonna remove my under eyes now.
The weight upon my bones makes it harder to move on. Oh, babe.
So next I'm going to be using this blush volume number 1, and I love to use this orange shade here in the middle. I'm gonna mix it slightly with the pink blusher from this palette right here. Then I'm going to be setting my face with this Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. I really love this product so much, like A-star. Okay, so it's time to move on to the brows, and as always I'm going to be using my Benefit Precisely My Brows, and this is in the shade 4.5. So next I'm going to be using my MAC's Pro Concealer Palette, and I'm going to be using this shade here. This is the medium deep shade, by the way.
Only thought that we were foolish.
You guys, just look at the difference between concealing your brows and not concealing your brows. This is such a huge difference, which is why you should be concealing your brows, just to, you know, neating them up. And if you have any like extra wispy hairs that you haven't waxed, this is the magic. All right guys, next I'm going to be using my eyeshadow primer, and I'm going to be using the P. Louise base number 2. Today's palette, I'm using the Nomad palette by Juvia's Place, and look at these shadows. The first color I'm gonna use is this yellow right here. Then the next color I'm gonna use is this orange right here. The next color I'm going to be putting on my eyes is this deep brown color, and I'm just going to go ahead and put this only on the outer corner of my eye. The next shade I'm going to be using from this palette is this light color right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this in front of my eye. And lastly, the next color I'm going to be using, the last color, is this yellow shade right here, which I'm going to be putting in the middle and center of my eyelid. Right here. Wow. Wow, I love that. So now I'm just gonna work on my under eyes, and I'm gonna use that dark brown. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is using my Inglot number 77 gel liner. Next, I'm going to be using my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. So today's lashes is going to be DG's collection, and she is on Instagram. I'll be linking all her information down below in the description box. And these are in the style Goddess Glow. Look how amazing and full they look. So I'm gonna go ahead and try these on. So whilst I'm waiting for the lashes to dry, I'm gonna go ahead and add some highlighter to my face, and I'm using the Hyper Glow by MAC. These lashes were slightly dramatic, so if you're a dramatic lash lover, these are perfect for you. They're slightly dramatic for me. Like lately I've just been falling in love with more fluffy and fuller lashes instead of longer lashes, but I mean it still looks amazing. So next I'm gonna move on to my lips, and I'm gonna use Kiko lip liner in number 321. Then I'm going to be using these MAC lip gloss.
Oh, here we go. Feelings overflow. I don't really know what's on, 'cause I'm a restless.
So that's all done. I hope you guys like my lip combo. So I'm just gonna add this beautiful hair piece to my hair, and I'm just gonna stretch it a little bit back. And then I'm gonna play around with my hair a little bit just to, you know, style it even better. And that's my look all done for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and also comment down below what you loved the most about this look. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.
Ask anything go. Yeah, yeah. I feel your body gone. Gotta know the form. True say I want to get to know you. Just seeing if I can.